continuing will be the dessert. You have 2 apples and you are a smart girl, so there is a way to take apple core easily. First you use a needle and syringe, you cut the head part, then you stab hard into the heart of the apple. Please see how I do it. First cut off the head, then throw away the excess, then clean the needle and never use needles and syringes, which is a great source of infection. Let's run straight to the store to buy a new one. Pierce the center of the apple like this and you can remove the core of the apple without cutting it in the traditional way. Then slowly pull the syringe out gently, containing the core of the apple, and then you can easily push the apple into the trash with a simple operation that is pressing the other end of the needle. So you can eat an apple deliciously without worrying about breaking your fingers. Wish you all the best with our videos. There are fun times that we don't know what to do for fun, and we can't just keep dancing and singing. Friends will be fed up if nothing is happier. Take a roll of food wrap. They have a lot of importance in your home. Then tell someone to pull it off with you, and the person in the middle simply faces it. And don't forget to capture that interesting moment. Or you can prank your friends by playing stealth games. Take a blanket and cover a friend, then remove the blanket. And that's it. Please show that you don't see anything, and say, "Oh, she's gone nowhere," and try to be bewildered. The invisible friend will really be very upset because she thinks she's invisible. But after a while, seeing her friends not seeing her as real, she would begin to have worries. Even when taking pictures, she's not on the camera. She's really invisible, but it's a photographic trick that only you know each other. She'll cry because no one will see her anymore. And comfort her. Let her cry a little and say it was a joke. Instead, she will be angry at you, but she will be more happy because it is a real joke, and she is not really invisible. So you guys had a fun party with many levels of emotion already. You will miss each other very much.